All right, so what's up everyone? Thiak Ho here, and today we're diving into something that's genuinely changing the game for students. If you've ever felt that pressure of exams looming, deadlines approaching, or just generally trying to keep up with a mountain of coursework, you know how tough it can be. Well, in 2025, that smarter way is not just a concept, it's a reality powered by some seriously impressive AI. We're talking about AI-powered study buddy apps. These aren't just glorified note-takers or flashcard apps from a few years ago. No, these are sophisticated tools designed to make your study sessions more efficient, more effective, and crucially, more personalized. Imagine having a tutor, a research assistant, and a study group coordinator all rolled into one, accessible right from your phone or tablet. So, in this video, we're going to take a closer look at some of the standout AI study buddy apps that are making waves in 2025. We've got a lot to cover, from AI tutors that break down complex topics to tools that summarize lengthy texts in minutes. This is the future of studying. Meet CogniLearn, your personal AI tutor available 24/7. It simplifies complex subjects like calculus and chemistry. Using AI, it breaks down material into bite-sized lessons. Interactive problem-solving and quizzes keep you engaged. The app personalizes learning based on your pace and needs. CogniLearn is intuitive, non-distracting and effective. Next up, let's talk about SummarAIze. This app tackles a problem that every student can relate to: information overload. We're constantly bombarded with long articles, dense research papers, and lengthy textbook chapters. SummarAIze offers a compelling solution: AI-powered summarization. It saves you hours of reading time by condensing long texts into concise, key takeaways. Imagine having a 50-page research paper summarized in minutes. This is a massive time saver, particularly when you're on a tight deadline. SummarAIze can help you quickly grasp the main arguments, concepts, and conclusions from a large volume of text. It's not a replacement for deep learning, but as a tool for rapid review and comprehension, it's incredibly powerful. SummarAIze uses advanced natural language processing, NLP algorithms, to analyze the text and generate a coherent summary. The app is designed to be versatile in terms of input. You can paste text directly, upload documents, or provide web links to articles. It then processes the content and presents you with a summary that you can adjust in length. Good summarization tools like SummarAIze are adept at identifying the truly key takeaways. For students looking to optimize their reading and revision process, SummarAIze offers a significant advantage. It's about working smarter, not just plowing through pages. All right, let's move on to QuizGenius. This app leverages one of the most effective learning techniques: active recall supercharged with AI. QuizGenius automates and optimizes this process by transforming your study materials into custom quizzes. You can upload your documents, paste text, or point it to specific sections of your digital textbooks. The AI then generates relevant quiz questions. This process forces you to engage with the material actively. Instead of passively scanning, you're constantly retrieving information from your memory. The quizzes are custom generated from your materials, ensuring they're directly relevant to your course or exam. A smart feature integrated into QuizGenius is spaced repetition. The app schedules reviews of questions you've struggled with at increasing intervals. This method is incredibly effective for transferring information from short-term to long-term memory. You can specify the number of questions, the types of questions, and the difficulty level. QuizGenius provides feedback and tracks your performance. You can see which topics you're strong in and where your weak spots lie. This data-driven insight helps you focus your study efforts more effectively. QuizGenius helps you not just memorize facts, but truly understand and retain information. Chapter 4, EssayCraft, your AI partner for academic writing. Let's shift gears to a different kind of academic challenge writing. Essays, research papers, dissertations, they're a cornerstone of academic life. That's where an app like EssayCraft comes in. This tool is designed to be an AI-powered assistant for the entire writing process. It's not about writing the essay for you, but about helping you write a better essay. EssayCraft assists by helping you structure your arguments more effectively. You can input your thesis statement and key points, and the AI can help you organize them into a logical flow. A crucial feature for any academic writing tool is plagiarism checking. EssayCraft includes a robust plagiarism detection system. Beyond just checking for plagiarism, EssayCraft suggests academic sources. Based on your topic, the AI can recommend relevant scholarly articles and books. EssayCraft incorporates advanced grammar and style checking tools. It can help you identify awkward phrasing, improve sentence structure, and suggest more academic vocabulary. EssayCraft also offers assistance with citations and referencing. Ultimately, EssayCraft aims to be a comprehensive writing companion that empowers students to produce higher quality academic work. Chapter 5. FlashMind, Smart Flashcards for Effortless Memorization. Let's talk about a classic study technique that's been given a serious AI upgrade, flashcards. Enter FlashMind, an app designed to take the effort out of creating flashcards and make the memorization process smarter. The core feature of FlashMind is its ability to auto-generate flashcards directly from your study materials. You can upload your lecture notes, textbook excerpts, or lists of terms and definitions. The AI then creates digital flashcards for you. This saves a ton of time compared to manually writing out physical cards. FlashMind incorporates smart study modes using algorithms based on spaced repetition. It shows you cards you struggle with more frequently and cards you know well less often. This optimizes your review sessions. FlashMind offers various ways to interact with your cards, like flip and reveal, multiple choice, or matching games. Customization is also a key aspect. You can edit the cards, add images or audio cues, or create your own cards from scratch. FlashMind tracks your progress, highlighting which concepts you've mastered and which ones need work. FlashMind enhances the effectiveness of flashcards with AI automation and intelligent learning algorithms. For subjects that require a lot of rote memorization, this tool can be incredibly valuable. Chapter 6. StudySync AI-Enhanced Collaborative Learning. Studying doesn't always have to be a solo activity. Collaborative learning can be incredibly effective. StudySync is all about fostering collaborative learning environments, even when you're physically apart. StudySync's primary function is to connect you with classmates studying the same subjects. You can join or create study groups, share notes, ask questions, and discuss challenging concepts. A really interesting aspect of StudySync is the role of AI moderators. AI can help facilitate the conversation, provide automated answers, and keep discussions on track. StudySync supports collaborative learning even if you're studying solo. You can access a repository of questions asked by other students and see shared notes and resources. Features include shared document spaces, virtual whiteboards, and dedicated Quanda forums. StudySync can integrate with other study tools or learning management systems. This interoperability makes it easier to incorporate collaborative learning into your existing study workflow. StudySync champions the idea that learning is often a social process. By leveraging technology to connect students and using AI to streamline interactions, it makes collaborative study more accessible and effective. It's about harnessing the power of the group, even when you're studying at different times or in different places. Chapter 7, the 2025 Study Advantage, always on, always adapting. These AI Study Buddy apps for 2025 are bringing some serious firepower to the table. One of the most significant is 24/7 assistance. Your AI tutor, summarizer, or quiz generator doesn't sleep. It's there whenever you need it, day or night. This constant availability is a massive advantage. Whether you're an early bird or a night owl, these AI tools are ready when you are. This flexibility allows students to learn at their own pace and on their own terms. Then there's the concept of adaptive learning. These systems learn about you as you use them. They track your progress, identify your strengths and weaknesses, and adjust the difficulty or content accordingly. This personalized learning path ensures that your study time is always optimized. Smart analytics play a crucial role in this adaptive process. These apps collect data on your performance and present it back to you in easy-to-understand dashboards. The combination of 24/7 assistance, adaptive learning, and smart analytics makes these AI study buddies the ultimate study hacks for 2025. They empower you to take control of your learning journey, making it more efficient, effective, and enjoyable. Discover AI-powered study apps revolutionizing learning in 2025. From personalized tutoring with CogniLearn to rapid summarization with SummarAIze and active recall with QuizGenius, these tools make studying smarter. Explore these options and enhance your study routine. Subscribe for more tech tips and academic life hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next